I'll bet you look fabulous, Gray. But me, I'm just not ready.
I'm not going anywhere, but I don't like feeling old and gray. So, one of my solutions is to get the DIY Dark and Decrepit and use it on my hair. No, I don't recommend this at home because it's off-label use.
Here's the piece I'm upcycling in this video. I sanded just the top because it had some staining.
I'm back. Okay, this is more my style. I love the color, I love the textures, I love the beading. It makes me feel happy, unlike the old and gray. But there's one old and gray I absolutely love. That's the DIY Old and Gray Barnwood Patina. And I used it to turn a very simple piece along with DIY black wax, turned it into something fabulous.
Brushing with the grain of the wood, I applied 2 coats of Old and Gray Barnwood Patina. In between coats, I use these Paint Pixie brush protectors. That way I don't have to clean out my brushes so often. It saves me a lot of time.
So here's what I do in between appointments. First, I get my Water Girl Mister. Take off my glasses for this part.
I use an inexpensive makeup brush and simply brush the decrepit dust from the roots out to cover up all that gray. I decided to keep the original hardware, but accented the sides of the knobs with IOD first generation TRIFLES mold and air dry clay. Next, I painted the piece with 2 coats of Old and Gray patina, which sealed the molds as well as prepare it for the transfers. To get this beautiful decor transfer by IOD, contact your local stockist or visit my website, fruitfullifestudio.com, for this transfer and all the other DIY products you see in this video. I applied each piece with the plastic tool included with the transfer and then burnished it with the backing so that it's nice and smooth, and I make sure it's adhered to the surface. Next, I added some distressing with sandpaper along the edges and the knobs, being careful not to touch the transfer. The finishing touch was DIY black wax to give this piece some dimension.
Thanks for watching, and I hope the next time you happen to feel old and gray, put on something you love, do your hair, but get off your old and gray Barnwood patina. Love you guys, thanks for watching, and happy creating.